Is your Tata Nexon's infotainment screen staying on even after you've turned off the engine? You're not alone. This common issue where the system fails to enter sleep mode can lead to battery drain. The primary causes are software bugs, occasional hardware glitches, or incorrect settings. Tata Motors has addressed many of these problems through over-the-air updates, especially since mid-2024, with versions 1.2.5 for petrol and diesel models and 2.1.3 for EVs. Make sure your Nexon has the latest software version, as this update often resolves the auto shutdown failures and sleep mode problems. If you're still facing this problem after updating, continue to the next section. First, check your sleep settings. Go to Settings, then System, then Sleep, and ensure it's enabled with a timer between 5 and 60 minutes. Next, try a hard reboot. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force the system to restart and clear temporary memory issues. If the problem persists, it could be a faulty body control module or low battery voltage preventing shutdown. In extreme cases, especially with older models, hardware issues like capacitor failures can occur. Visit an authorized Tata service center for diagnostics. For EV models, the integrated battery management system usually prevents such issues.